We're going to talk about this Supra, this 2020 Supra. Is it a flop? Or is it a... Wow. What is going on, car gurus out there? My name is Louis, and this is Wrenchettes, where not only I don't work on beautiful cars like these, the G35, but in life as well. I'm sure that most of you guys already seen the pictures, how it looks, how the owners boast about this new technology and BMW and all this stuff. But I'm gonna give my 2 cents, because why? Because this is my channel. Now, I am a big fan of the previous Supra, the ones that we love, and the ones that just sold for $125,000. Good Lord. And I just heard that same Supra is now being resold for $500,000. Who in their right minds would buy that crap out? This Supra, in my opinion, I'm telling you right now, I do not like it. I don't know, man. That thing looks like an FRS. I'm telling you, like, if you see the 2019 FRS, I'm gonna put a picture inside, and you compare it with the Supra, it looks kind of like the same style, man. And no offense to the Science World people, they are awesome cars. Now, based on the performance, they went with a BMW. And we all know that we all love to work on BMWs and how DIY friendly they are, and real affordable. Not. So I think the conversation went down like this. BMW. Hey yo, this is Toyota. What's up, BMW? You guys want to make a Supra? Yeah, 2020 Supra. It's gonna be superb. Yes, you want to make the Supra? This is my French accent. Yes, we are definitely interested. What do you want to make? Well, dog, we want some engine and suspension parts and shit. You will come to the right company. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go down. We're gonna take care of the looks, and you guys take care of the engine and suspension, all that crap. You know what I mean? Engine and suspension, no problem, man. Okay, so what do people love about the old Supra? You know, the one that they tune a lot. Well, you know, they like to super it up. It's very DIY friendly. The platform is just great to have a lot of boost. It's real good. Okay, so we took care of that by going to you guys, because you guys are complicated as shit. Complicated, but we have good quality sometimes. You know, so the next thing that they love about that Supra was the engine. We took care of you in that time. We're gonna put a very powerful but complicated and expensive non-DIY engine in the Supra. Okay, my friends, so we officially have screwed up the Supra, huh? Yes, we definitely did, but don't knock it till you try. Wait until it comes out and then you'll see. No, we fucked up. That is how the conversation went down. Like, they planned, that was like check marking everything that people love about the old Supra, and then they made it worse on this side. Like, come on, dude. Like, these car makers, I understand that they want to revolutionize it and make it completely different, but dude, it looks like an FRS. Now, these are my personal opinions. I respect car makers, and they are brilliant people, but sometimes they are so brilliant that they make dumbass decisions like this. Like, the Supra shouldn't have a BMW engine. If they wanted stability, then they should have went with them, but only on the suspension part. They should have made an evolution of the 2JZ. You know what I mean? I'll call it like a 3JZ or something. I don't know. But yeah, these are my opinions. I respect everyone that liked the car, and I respect people that don't like the car. I hope you guys respect my view on it, and I hope I didn't offend nobody with my beautiful accent. I don't know if that's freaking French anyway. It might be Russian. I don't know. I don't know, my friend. I don't know. But yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Before I go, I just want to ask you guys, what do you guys think about this new Supra? Do you like it? Do you think it's a good idea that they went with BMW? Let's talk about this. This is a Komatar out. Peace and peace.